What's wrong, baby Alexa? The dog bite my arm. Really? Can I see? Oh my goodness. Because dog bites your arm. We should be doctors. Okay. We turned into doctors. Baby, there's some hurt. Maybe it bitten by a dog. Mom! What is it, twins? Mom! Because baby Alexa's arm was bitten by a dog. Really? Let me see. Oh no! Maybe dog bites your arm. Let me get some first aid kit. So, don't worry. Here you go. Let me put it here. And some bandage. Yay! Mommy, thank you for helping me. You're welcome. When the dog bites you, get the first aid kit so that it will be gone. Okay.